Hi everyone. We're here today to introduce and train on a product that will help us to better fight and contain lithium battery fires. This product is called Cellblock. There are two thoughts that come to mind when you're approaching this type of hazard. One is where a passenger rings the call bell and has alerted the crew to their PED device that's heating up and or emitting smoke. The other would be when you get to the scene and you find that a cell battery has already heated up and exploded, causing a fire. This is called thermal runaway. Any device that has multiple cells in a battery could present an even greater hazard. So for these two bags on board, let's talk about what's inside our bags. So let's take a look. The EDE bag is called the Electronic Device Extinguisher. That's what EDE stands for. Inside our EDE bag, we're going to find 2 sets of fireproof gloves. We're going to find 2 sets of goggles. We'll also find 2 face masks, and you're going to find 2 fire shield blankets. This blanket is very important because this blanket is what you approach the fire with. This is for your protection. The black side can actually take a great amount of heat, so this is something that you want to make sure you use. Also inside our bag, you're going to find 2 pillow pads. These pillow pads have a material inside them that not only suppresses the fire, but absorbs the toxic fumes. Inside our EED bag also, you'll find a small crowbar. This is in case you have an overhead bin that is jammed and you need to get it open to get inside there. So this is also can be found inside your EDE bag. So let's talk about our other bag here. This is the LIPIC bag. It stands for the Lithium Ion Battery Incident Kit. Now, this kit is what you use to put the device in after you've extinguished it. So, what we do is open this kit up. After you have the device extinguished, this kit would be brought to the scene, would be opened up, and here, this bag inside, as you can see, has the pillow pads around it. You would put the device in here. This pillow pads would also do the same thing that we used it for the initial fire, and you're going to place the pillow pad in your device in here up against the pillow pad. You would take the seal off. You're going to zip the bag up. You're going to snap all that Velcro together nice and tight, fold it down. You're going to bring this bag over and you're going to seal it shut, and then you will place this in a predetermined location. Another thing to keep in mind would be that anytime you face a fire or you get to the scene and it's not a fire, the best thing you can do is to get any device that's heating up inside your LIPIC bag first, because this can prevent any further damage that you may have. So, thank you. Okay, next we want to go through the steps to fight a lithium battery fire. First, you want to retrieve your EDE bag along with a halon extinguisher, and you want to proceed to the location of the fire. Once there, you want to break the seal on your EDE kit and remove the contents of your EDE kit bag. So let's take all of this out here and have it ready for use. Once you have your contents ready, next you want to do is you want to don your mask. You take your mask, put your mask on, and tighten it to fit. Next, you want to put on a pair of goggles. So you put your goggles on snugly over your mask and make sure that it's on nice and snug. Next, you want to put on your fireproof gloves. So you put on your fireproof gloves. And of course, if necessary, you would have used your halon. If not, you want to take your fire shield blanket, black side. This is to protect yourself as well. You want to take the fire shield blanket, you want to place it over your device. You want to flip the device over onto the fire shield, making certain that your battery side is up. You want to take your pillow pad and you want to place that on top of the device. Next, you want to take your second fire shield blanket, black side facing the device, place it over the device. This will extinguish your fire. Once your fire is extinguished, you want to take your blanket off, take your pillow pad off. You want to wrap up your device in your fire shield blanket, and you want to place this into your ready and open LIPIC bag. Once you have this inside your Libic bag, you want to remove this red strip from the bag. You can take your gloves off at this point. You want to close up this bag nice and tight, the Velcro, lock it down. You want to bring the top over, and you want to lock the straps up to seal the bag up. This bag will then be placed at a predetermined location. Also, there will be various components to your hands-on training.